Selecting the optimal location for a distribution center, manufacturing plant, or e-commerce fulfillment center requires complex analysis of your supply chain, labor markets, wage rates, tax structure, and other geographically variable costs. Real estate is only 5% of most companies' operating costs, but geographically variable costs such as transportation, labor, taxes, and utilities account for over 65%. That's a lot of moving parts to evaluate to ensure a multi-million-dollar investment generates maximum return. Colliers' International Supply Chain and Site Selection Service team is expert at analyzing the universe of options and pinpointing the best alternatives. We begin with a future-focused analysis of transportation costs to tell you whether you have too many or too few facilities, whether they are too small or too big, and if they are in the right locations. Then we define the area within which you will deliver better customer service while reducing transportation costs. But optimizing service levels and transportation costs is only part of the solution. So Colliers developed Indsite, our proprietary site selection optimization model to qualify and compare other geographically variable costs such as wages, taxes, and construction costs, while simultaneously evaluating critical operating environment considerations. To find out where your facilities will be most profitable, we load your site selection requirements into Indsite, and the computer model identifies every location that meets or exceeds your objectives for operating cost reduction, labor union avoidance, labor availability, access to transportation infrastructure, and more, anywhere in the United States. The criteria that can be examined are almost limitless and customized to meet the unique requirements of each client. Indsite refines the search and narrows the field to drill down to the very best locations for your facility. Indsite is an invaluable analytical tool and a secure safety net, because it not only maximizes the speed and quality of site selection decision-making, it also incorporates critically important site selection variables that are usually overlooked by corporate site seekers, and ignoring these can result in a very expensive mistake. But Indsite is only the beginning, because Colliers will not only help you find the right location, we can also turnkey the entire process from negotiation of real estate and incentives to complete project implementation, including build-out or retrofit. We produce the best outcome and create tremendous value for our clients. That's why the Colliers way works best.